you think you're bad, huh?
How you like robot boy make fat lips fatter?
Huh? How would you like to own lips in the first place, lipless?
You dimwits don't know how to talk to women.
Women?
Hello. What's your name?
Me, robot